are back, everyone. I know it's been a while, but welcome back to Haywire RC. And summer has officially arrived because the overgrowth is crazy. Check this out, guys. It's only been, what, 3 weeks? You know, it's summertime. Right here, we got the Truggy. Also, besides this dirty pipe, what's new is we got skid plates. And as you can see, yeah, just from testing those things out, they're already all screwed up. That's all right. But wait, there's more. Ta-da! Looks like Ducky today brought us the LST. And as you know, it's been an awfully long time since you've seen the LST. If you guys have been tuning into the live streams, I've been picking away at this thing, trying to get that fuel tank to kind of, I guess, work. From what I know now, that thing is completely sealed. Possibly there cannot be a leak. So I'm hoping today that we don't have any issues like last time. Thank you, Ducky, for coming today. He says hi, everyone. All right, now that we got the two together, it's time to fire them up, see what they can do. Guys, I am impressed, especially with the LST. I'm very rusty on it, but that first jump I made was incredible. Now obviously the others got a little cocky, tried to get a little faster, but I didn't need to. Got some scratches. The Truggy's flawless, however. I got this thing tuned perfectly. Ended up fixing those screws, so now I got full suspension travel, which now this thing's just a breeze jumping from before. Yeah, so I'll go ahead, do some more bashing, but however, I am having problems with the LST because whenever I land, that battery plug ends up getting unplugged, no joke, and it runs away. Thankfully, I got a throttle return spring, so it just revs a little bit and then it just shuts itself off. Ducky says to like and subscribe, everyone. Better do it. Guys, this was a blast. Obviously, the LST we had to put away a little too early. I gotta say, if it wasn't having those electrical issues, this would be my best video. But this is probably the most air we gotten on the Truggy, and obviously we aren't afraid. We got this new body, even though I almost flipped it like 10 times, but thankfully it somehow stayed on all fours. But if there was a jumping competition, I know I didn't really measure anything, but I gotta hand it on the LST for that one jump. I'll show you again. And that was my first jump after coming back from the LST in, I'd say, a month. So I was a little rusty, as you know. I did scratch it, but I'm back, baby. And as we know, the Truggy, this thing with the new suspension, or I would just say tune suspension, is ready for bashing. We had to end it on a little bit of donuts, but turns out we had to end it early because that's a rock. That thing's stuck in there good. I just can't figure out how to get that thing out. The gears seem to be okay. I mean, down here, they look kind of scratched, but I mean, the mesh is fine for what I know. That rock has to come out, so we might have to pull that engine because it's wedged in there pretty good. That's a problem for tonight. However, today was a success. We had a blast today. Ducky came along for the ride. We were bashing this thing so hard, the retainer clips even fell off. I was expecting this video to be a little bit longer. That's alright. If you missed out on that last Truggy video with the new painted body, that was a pretty good one. You'll find that right up here. You see it up there? Go click on that if you want to watch some more. Or like I said before, I gotta start saying this more. You can like and subscribe, because clearly people have been telling me that I haven't been saying that in the videos, which is why my like counts are low. Jeez, I'm losing my voice already. Enough talk. Ducky wants me to shut up. He's had enough of what I've said today. So that'll be it. Stay tuned for more LST stuff. I'll be getting a new connector, so we don't have to deal with that again. Alright, enough talk. Stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching. Your views mean a lot to us and to Ducky. And that's it. So I'll see you later.